This is the assembly site of the HG31-25. Every unit here undergoes strict processes and inspections to ensure stable performance and reliable quality when it leaves the factory. No matter the working conditions, it delivers powerful and long-lasting compressed air. We offer engine options from brands such as Yuchai and Cummins, giving customers the flexibility to choose the configuration that best fits their needs, and are committed to providing customers with efficient and reliable air compressor solutions. With reliable quality and powerful performance, we will safeguard every one of your projects.